Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahesh and today I've got an exciting method to share with you, and that's super easy and can keep your bank account growing even while you catch up on your beauty sleep. Forget about building websites or freelancing, and this one's a breeze to kick off. And the best part, you won't have to spend a single penny. Alright guys, so stick around till the end and I'll show you step by step how it's done. And at any time guys, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, just making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered so that you get redirected to my favorite strategy. And also if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, we have all heard about AI taking over the world and how some savvy individuals are making fortunes. So today, I'll introduce you to a new method that's game changer. And it involves three key players. Number one, Google Bard. Two, Digistore24. And three, a Q&A giant called Quora. So let's dive right into it. The first platform on our list is Quora.com, the go-to Q&A website covering every topic imaginable. It's not just for seeking answers. You can chime in and help others with their queries. Pair that with power of Google Bard and Digistore24 and you're all set to kickstart your journey towards passive income. Now let's break down the details. Head over to Quora.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, use the search bar to find problems that you can solve using your search queries. Our three key categories remains like health, wealth and relationships. Trust me, these areas work wonders for your bank account. But remember, there's a plethora of topics to choose from. For our example, let's focus on dropshipping. Like there are a lot many people who would like to know how dropshipping would be working, and especially I would be focusing on dietary supplements. So without owning any inventory or product, you can start a dietary supplement business from your home. Okay, so let me show you how to start an online business, and if you go deeper, it's a dropshipping business, and if you go even deeper, it's a dietary supplement business. Let me go to Quora.com and in search bar, I'll type how to start a dropshipping business, and then after set the type to questions. At the left you can see, right, and filter by past 1 hour or past hour or past day, week or month. Don't exceed for years. Okay, you would be finding latest questions in this past month, so it would be avoiding competition for you. Now choose a recent questions to answer from, and the next step what you need to do is copy the question and paste it in Google Bard. Let the magic happen and Google Bard generates a well structured answer for you. Copy the response and return to Quora.com. Click on answer and paste your crafted response. Make it visually appealing by formatting with bold keywords or adding spacing between paragraphs. But we are not yet done. Now head over to Digistore24, sign up for a free account if you don't have any Digistore24 account already registered, and explore the product categories. Go to marketplace and at left you would be finding all the categories, so you can explore accordingly. But I'm going to suggest you a product, okay, which is called the Stasho method. Since we are focusing on how to start a dropshipping business, and if you go in depth, it's a dietary supplement business, and you know dietary supplement market has a lot to earn. Okay, so find a product related to dropshipping, and the product name is called the Stasho method. So you can go and search it in the search bar, the Stasho method, or you can directly go to digital products, and in fitness and health you would be finding this product in second page or in the third page. Then after, click on promote now and generate your unique affiliate link for the chosen product. Okay, then after copy it, get back to Quora and in your answers add a new section with the heading personal recommendation and paste the product name and let's say the Stasho method, and it helps individuals to start a dropshipping supplement, dietary supplement business. Okay, so just give the personal recommendation and the product name and attach your Digistore24 affiliate link. That's it. And when we go across with a pro tip, add multiple links naturally throughout your response for a clear look. Now click on submit and you're done. So when people read your answer and click on your affiliate link to make a purchase, you'll start earning those sweet commissions. And when we talk about the commissions rate on each sale, you are going to make around $11. And you know, the beauty of this method is that you only have to set it up once and your answer stays there for a long time and bringing in passive income continuously. So to succeed, answer many questions as you can daily. My suggestion is to go across with 5 to 10 answers daily. Why? Because you need not to get counted under spam. So Quora is very strict about this. So if you continuously answering on the same questions or continuously giving the same content, then Quora would be surely like tagging you under spam. So make it this very clear and aim to be among the first responders using the time filter trick I've explained earlier. Okay, consistency is key and this approach will work its magic over time. Let's move with quick recap of the steps. Sign up for Quora, select a niche, find relevant questions, use Google Bard for answers, sign up with Digistore24, choose a related product, generate an affiliate link and insert it into your answer. Repeat the process consistently for remarkable results. So before we go, I have something special for you. Over past 2 years, you know, I've been leveraging a secret business model that helped me to make over $5,000 to $10,000 every month, and many of my subscribers are thriving with it too. If you want to join their success, then click the first link in the description and get registered. You know, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just on autopilot by creating this kinds of system what you are seeing on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Alright guys, and guys, as I promised, I would like to give away my $97 bonus, right? So the same program what you're seeing on the screen called the Stasho method, this is my own program which got listed on Digistore24 and I'm selling it for just $20 over there. But in future, I'm about to sell it for $97. So the same exact program, I'm about to give it absolutely for free. You can please visit the second link in the description. It's a brand new community and I'm starting it from scratch. So with this community, the first 100 members would be getting a bonus. Okay. So the same exact Digistore24 is coming across with a new program called the Launchpad and they are charging tons of money on this. I'm about to give you live insights on this community. If in case you join our community, I'm about to share all the insights what's going under Launchpad. It's a Digistore24 program especially made for Digistore24. So you're going to get involved with the insights what's happening with this Launchpad. Okay, so get registered to my community and in courses section you would be finding the Stasho method program. Go and get access to it. It's completely free. But if you go with Digistore24, they are going to charge you around $22. But I'm giving it away for free. Go participate in my program and start making money instantly. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video till this end and I'll catch you up in the next video. If you found this video helpful, then please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification. Meet you in my next video. Have a